bit here. Actually, I'm really running out of time. The explanation for the law of demand involves consumers' ability to substitute different goods. Why? Our junior tutor said that the law of demand states that demand for a quantity and prices are inversely related to each other. When prices rise, the quantity demanded falls, keeping in mind exceptions like luxury goods, income effect, necessities, etc. So if I just draw our supply and demand graph real quick, we got quantity, got price, supply rises, demand falls. Where they cross, we've got our equilibrium quantity denoted Q star. That's a star. Take my word for it. And equilibrium price P star. So the law of demand states that demand for quantity and prices are inversely related to each other. So when prices are high, up here in the y-axis, there is lower demand, and quantity demand rises. As these prices fall, demand rises. So at this point here, maybe this high price, there's no demand. Price here, there's a smaller amount of demand, and when prices get really low, there's a lot of demand. So for example, when things go on sale at the store, you're more likely to buy them, the demand is higher. The law of demand involves government ability to set a price, consumers' ability to substitute different goods, because when the price of one good rises, the demand for its substitute rises. So for example, like if I'm really craving, I don't know, like pizza, and the price of pizza everywhere goes up, then maybe I'll substitute some other kind of fast food, and instead the demand for burgers is going to go up because nobody wants to pay the price of pizza, which is now more expensive. The relationship between price and substitute goods is positive, but people keep in mind the same way because they react only when the price of the first one rises. Hence, the demand for the other is nothing but a reaction to the change in the price of the first. In other words, if there is no substitute for a good, people aren't going to respond as much to a change in the price. But if there is a number of other goods, when there's a change in price, there will be a larger change in demand. That's a good write-up by our junior tutor. We can move on.